Hey there, music enthusiasts, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for artists, songwriters, and musicians: how to pick the best music attorney. We'll also explore the nuances of attorney fees and potential conflicts of interest in the music industry. Let's get started. When it comes to selecting a music attorney, it's all about finding the right fit for your unique needs. Your attorney should be well-versed in entertainment law and have experience working with musicians. Start by asking for recommendations from fellow musicians or industry professionals who've had positive experiences with their attorneys. Building a short list of potential candidates is a great way to begin your search. Experience is key. Look for an attorney with a strong track record in the music industry, preferably someone who has worked on cases or contracts similar to what you need. Now, let's discuss the financial aspect of hiring a music attorney. Attorney fees in the entertainment industry can vary widely. It's essential to understand how you'll be charged. Attorneys may charge hourly rates, flat fees, or a percentage of your earnings. The fee structure will depend on your specific needs and the attorney's preferences. Discuss fees upfront and, if possible, get a written agreement detailing the payment structure, any additional costs, and potential refunds in case the engagement ends prematurely. Next up, conflicts of interest in the music industry. This is something you definitely want to be aware of to protect your interests. Conflicts of interest can arise when your attorney has financial or personal connections to other parties involved in your music career, like managers, labels, or promoters. This can cloud their judgment. To avoid conflicts of interest, have a candid conversation with your attorney. Ask them about any relationships or business interests that might impact their ability to represent your best interests. In summary, choosing the best music attorney involves thorough research, understanding attorney fees, and being vigilant about potential conflicts of interest. Your attorney is a crucial partner in your music career, so make sure you pick the right one. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more music industry insights. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. Stay informed and keep making great music. We'll see you in the next video.